think you've heard it all. Brace yourself for these bizarre animal calls. Indri, Madagascar lemur. Alarm clock chorus in the jungle. Koala, cute face, grandpa grunt. Howler monkey, roars louder than a leaf blower. Kookaburra, the cackling clown of the bush. Musk duck, foul-mouthed mimic. Piloted gibbon, sci-fi laser vocals. Barn owl, ghostly shriek in flight. Cheetah, a chirping big cat. Elephant seal, beachside motorboat roar. Which freaked and loved you out most? Comment and subscribe.